Hi, I know throughout this presentation, a lot of it has been focused on things like escape rooms and Google Classrooms, which are wonderful tools for using hyperlinks and the different tricks that I'm showing you. But a very practical way to use some of these skills is in when you have diagrams or even maps or timelines that you're wanting to share out with your students and you're wanting to send them out searching for information. So, this is a sample of just a rather simple human body presentation that I would put together for my students. This particular one, whenever they click on the brain, it sends them to a video about the brain. I'm going to show you how to put those hyperlinks in. I know that we've already covered this, so if you're feeling like I'm really confident with this, you don't need to continue to listen to this part of the presentation. But if you want a second review, this is a great opportunity to kind of have another look at it again. So here's how it goes. When I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a hyperlink in, so like here over the word heart, I'm going to go over here to where it says insert, and I'm going to insert a shape. And I want a shape. Since we're talking about the heart, I'm going to grab the heart shape. So there's my heart shape. And notice it's gray and it has the lines around it. I do that on purpose. I will go through and highlight everything that I'm going to copy and paste. And then I've already pulled up a video here that I want the boys and girls to go see. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go back to my human body slide. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go insert link. And I'm going to paste that link right there. And I'm going to apply that. Now, if I want the kids to also be able, or the students to also be able to click actually on the heart itself, I can make a second copy of a heart. The link will already be embedded and screen that up so we don't overlay over top of our stomach. And I could put it so that it's right there, so that when they're doing their interactive work, it's available, ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do now, I don't want to leave those filled in because I want the boys and girls to be able to read the word heart and to be able to see the heart. I'm going to go over and change the fill. So I'm going to click where it says fill color and make that transparent. And then also make sure you click on line color and make that transparent as well. And then do the same thing with your little heart. Transparent, transparent. So I think you could pretty easily see how this could be useful for timelines, maps, or any other kind of diagram that you would have for your students to be using in class. So now when they go to present and view it, it comes up as a full picture. Click on heart. Here we go.
It's amazing
after our video ad.
Like realizing fishing isn't about catching.
Sorry. And it takes us directly to the video that we want the boys and girls to see. So hopefully that's a helpful tip and trick that will be useful for you and your students. So thanks again. And like I said, if you have any questions or you get stuck along the way, be sure to reach out. I'm here to help.